Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to verify or we are going to do the proof for commutative law. Actually, what is this commutative law is A into B, we can write down it as B into A, where you can see here only AND operation we had performed, and this is called AND form. And one more method is there, which is nothing but A plus B is equal to B plus A. So here we are used an OR operator, therefore this is called OR form. Now let us try to verify here. So how many inputs are there? Two inputs are there. A is one input and B is another input. So if two inputs are there, how to write down is 2 square is equal to 4. So 2 square is equal to 4 means what is the meaning? 4 possibilities are possible. So here we are going to write down the decimal values. Okay. So how many possibilities? 0, 1, 2, 3. So this we can write down it as a 2 to the power 0. This we can write down it as 2 to the power 1 is 2. 2 to the power 0 is how much? 1. So 0 can be written as decimal 0. 1 can be written as in BCD form is 0 1, and 2 can be written as 1 0, and 3 can be written as 1 1. Okay, so up to here A and B is come. We need to perform A into B, and we need to perform B into A. Both are same almost all. Now we will say that how it is same or not. So here we have to perform AND operation between A and B. So what is the AND operation between A and B? Both are 1, then only 1. So both are 0 0. Both are only 1 1 is there 0. Only 1 1 is there 0. Both are 1, automatically 1. Similarly, AND operation between A and B and A. So both are 0 0. Only 1 1 is there 0. Only 1 1 is there 0. Both are 1, automatically 1. So this is LHS, this is RHS. We have been proven that LHS is equal to RHS. So this is called commutative law. So what is commutative law means? If we swap the inputs, but you'll get the same output. We swap the inputs also, you'll be getting the same output. So here, let's try to perform this operation also. So A is one input, B is another input. So two inputs are there. How many possible outputs are? 2 square is equal to 4. So then we are going to write down the decimal values here. When you write down the decimal values 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is 2 to the power 0 is how much? 1. 2 to the power 1 is how much? 2. So we can write down the four possibilities. The decimal in BCD form is, so 0 can be written as 0 0, 1 can be written as 0 1, 2 can be written as 1 0, 3 can be written as 1 1. So we may ask how we are getting. So 1 into, so binary 1 into decimal is how much? 2, plus binary 1 into decimal is how much? 1. It's nothing but 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now we have to perform A plus B value or operation between A and B, and then between B and A. So perform the OR operation between A and B. So any one is there, automatically output is 1. 0, any one is there, automatic. Any some one is there, automatically 1. Any one both 1 is to 1. Okay. And now OR operation between B and A. Any one is there, automatically 1. No ones are there, 0. One is there, 1. One is there, 1. Both ones are there, 1. Here you can see here LHS is equal to RHS, and we can say that A plus B equal to B plus A into B equal to B plus A. This is called the commutative law, okay, using Boolean mathematic, Boolean algebraic laws. Okay, so this is how we have been proved the commutative law. If you feel the video is useful, please like the video and share it with your friends. If you have any doubts, let me know in comment section. Like this, multiple laws have been proved. You can check out on my channel. So still, if you are watching the channel without subscribing, subscribe to my channel with the name KV equals 0. Thank you for your time. We'll meet in another proof. Yours